Hey guys, I finally have a face cam for Five Nights at Freddy's 4, so yes! Alright, so you can finally see me get the shit scared out of me. Alright, let's do this for night 2. God damn it. Didn't want to do that. If you guys hear noises in the background, it's just my brother's watching television. Ooh, saw that. I didn't get a good look who that was though. If you see this, it's just my finger touching the screen. Sorry guys. Let's remove it. Oh shit! Missed on my camera. I'm probably gonna die pretty soon. Oh shit! I heard other footsteps. Did he open this door? Ooh. I hear a dog. I got headphones as well. They're plugged in. This is just my finger. Oh shit! God damn it, I threw the phone. Son of a bitch. I wonder what my face looked like after I did that. Ah, fuck! I was only 2 minutes into it too. Alright, keep going. That scared the fuck shit out of me. My heart is racing right now. I'm sweating too. Fucking Bonnie! I keep hearing a bell or something on the radio. No, it's not breathing. Come on. Oh crap, I left it on. Go away! Stupid little Fredbears. Oh shit! I don't know why I closed the door. Oh fuck. I am sweating so bad from this game. I thought that was someone over there. It was just my hair. Come on. Oh shit, Bonnie! Go away! My goodness. I'm sweating so bad. Ah! Fucked up. I don't want to do that again. I really don't want to do that. Oh shit, I'm sweating so bad. Gosh. Oh my god. If you guys have any tips on how to play this game, well, how to listen, you know, I just have the regular headphones. How to listen and hear for stuff like that. Please let me know in the comments down below. Well, this is a pretty short video, but I scared the living shit out of myself. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys later. Peace.